Hey guys, in this video we're gonna go over how to transfer money from Standard Bank to Capitec. Now the best way to do it will be an online transfer. So first you go ahead and log in, okay, to the Standard Bank website, enter your login details to access your account. But step 2 is to go to transfer. So you need to find the payments or transfer section, and this is where you'll manage your money transfers. And if Capitec isn't listed already, you need to add a new beneficiary. So we'll use Capitec's bank code, which is a 470010. Of course, you need to specify the amount you want to transfer. So you need to enter the amount, and of course, you need to add any required notes or references, and then just review the details carefully, verify the transaction, and go ahead and send, which you will need to authenticate with an OTP or PIN, and then your transaction will go through. But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to Smart Solutions, and I'll see you in the next one.